Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the oak tree? You're welcome back to class. So today we want to look at the O and its alternatives. Alright? So I told us in our last class that the alternative sounds are the other ways that the sounds can be written. Alright, so letter O can be written as this way or as this way. Now let's look at it. Do we still remember how to blend? We're going to blend. I have 2 and 3 letter sounds on the board. Now let's go. Here I have 3 letter sounds. L, O, D. Now let's put them together. Load. Great. Bo, O, S, T. Here I have 4 letter sounds. Bo, O, S, T. Boast. Boast. Great. Did you get that? Alright. Now let's do the next one. O, foam. Bravo. Well done. Now, O can also be written as OW. So when you see this, it is the O sound. And it also means the ow sound. Do you remember? Ow. The letter sound. Ow. I prick my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. Great. So this is the letter sound. Ow. Alright. Now, OW can also say the sound ow. So OW can say the sound ow or the sound O. Now let's look at it as this. Ow. Now here it's making the sound ow. Now let's look at this one. Ow. Is there anything like that? No. So O, low. So here it's making the sound O. Alright, so that is how you just differentiate it for your level now. You pronounce it, doesn't make sense. You know that it's saying the other sound. Okay, so O. Let's see. O. On. E. O. Low. S. E. O. Slow. Great job. And we move to the last segment. When you see letter O, a consonant in between letter O and letter E, it makes the sound O. Let's look at the first example. B, O, bone. The consonant in between is the letter N. So we're going to blend all the letter sounds together. B, O, bone. Great job. Now let's look at this. We're going to say their sounds and blend it together. O, rope. D, O, v, drove. Drove. D, O, v, drove. Do you get it? Alright, so then we've learned the letter sound O and its alternatives. I want you to watch the video again and blend along with me. I love you and see you in my next class. Bye.